I'm back again with Farm Animals Volume 2. So we have 3 more farm animals coming to you now. Let's get started on drawing.
First farm animal on the list is the pig. So you'll start with a big circle for the head. Put another circle inside of that for the nose. 2 lines for the nostrils. We'll give this pig some big eyes. So circle on the left above the nose, circle on the right above the nose. Then another circle inside for the pupil. Then come down, we're going to make a smile. So we'll draw the mouth curved around. It kind of mimics the shape of that nose, right? Almost hugs it. So for the ears, come out, take a sharp turn, and back down to the head. Same thing, another triangle inside. And then on the other side, start from the head, come back down and around. And another little triangle. Then draw some happy eyebrows. And we'll add a little extra detail to our pig. And I think it's done. So our second animal is one that you might have at home, but it's also pretty popular on the farm. So this is the cat. So we'll start with one cheek and then draw another circle for the other cheek. Try to make sure they touch. Then on the top, we'll just draw a line across from one to the other to make a triangle for the nose. Then down at the bottom, curve around, half circle for the chin, then again for the mouth. Draw a few whiskers coming out of the cheeks. Then for the head, we'll draw a big curved line from one cheek to the other, so it's a half circle or a rainbow. Whatever you like. So we'll start, come out from the head, turn back towards it for the first ear. Then the same thing on the second side. You're going to make another kind of triangle shape. And we'll give the little triangle shapes within there a try too. That's the pink part of the ear, right? So here we have 2 little circles for the eyes. Then 2 more happy eyebrows. So they're up high and they're curved. They're happy. And this is our cat. Our last animal today is one that I always had a hard time drawing. So I've made it a little bit different and I hope you like it. So I'll start with a big oval for the head. Then on either side, we'll draw some ovals for the eyes. So make sure they're kind of touching or a little bit outside of there because it's like on the side of the head. So we'll draw 2 ovals inside there for the shine. Down at the bottom, we'll draw 2 more big ovals on either side and make sure they're kind of turned a bit. So start at the top of the head, we're going to draw a line down and the same on the other side. So it starts in towards the middle and goes out towards the edge. Now we're going to put some curved lines over those nostrils at the bottom, those ovals we drew. Then we want to make it look like the nose pops out a little bit more. So we're going to mimic that shape of the oval. We're just going to make it come down a little bit further so it looks more like it's overlapping. Then draw another curved line at the bottom for the chin. Draw a few ears. So this time we're going to come out around like a leaf. So you start at the point at the head, curve out to a point, and then curve back into the other point. Then for these inner ears, we're just going to draw a simple line, so a simple curve in there. Then we'll throw in some big cheeks. So start from the eye and come down. And this is our horse. It just needs some eyebrows. Good job. We did all 3 farm animals.